Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best coconut oil is probably one of the most versatile natural products you can have in your home. Today, we're diving deep into the world of organic coconut oil, specifically for oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice has gained popularity for its potential to improve oral health and overall wellness. We'll explore what makes a good coconut oil for oil pulling, and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Number 5. GuruNanda CocoMint Oil Pulling Mouthwash. Introducing GuruNanda CocoMint Oil Pulling Mouthwash, a natural pre-brush rinse. Inspired by ancient Ayurvedic wisdom, it's designed to revolutionize your oral hygiene routine. This mouthwash is packed with 7 essential oils and vitamins. It includes tea tree, peppermint, clove, oregano, fennel, spearmint, and cardamom. It also contains vitamins D3, E, and K2. Experience up to 12 hours of fresh breath with this alcohol-free formula. It promotes gum hygiene and complements your existing brushing, flossing, and rinsing habits. Pour 10 to 15 milliliters into the measuring cup. Swish for 2 minutes, gradually increasing to 10 minutes. Discard in the trash. Use it every morning on an empty stomach for best results. Proudly made in the USA with international and domestic ingredients. It's free from fluoride and artificial preservatives. It's safe for adults and children 12 and up with supervision. What we like. This oil-pulling mouthwash offers a comprehensive approach to oral care. It features a blend of 7 essential oils and vitamins, ensuring a thorough clean. If you're looking for long-lasting fresh breath and a boost to your gum health, you should consider this one. What people say. My teeth look better than they ever have. I've been oil pulling now for 2 weeks. Great quality. I have old plaque that I have been able to remove that is finally breaking up. It leaves your mouth and your teeth cleaner and fresher. It even assists in removing plaque and dark matter from around the teeth and gums. It whitens teeth and my mouth feels super clean. Number 4. GuruNanda Whitening Pulling Oil Mouthwash Kit. Introducing GuruNanda Whitening Pulling Oil Mouthwash. This natural mouthwash is inspired by Ayurvedic wisdom. It comes with a tongue scraper and a toothbrush. It's crafted with 100% pure, natural ingredients. The mouthwash includes MCT coconut oil and peppermint essential oil. This reflects Ayurvedic traditions. This product is designed to refresh your breath and maintain oral cleanliness. It complements brushing, flossing, and rinsing for a well-rounded oral care routine. Pour 10 to 15 milliliters of the oil, swish for 2 minutes, and gradually increase to 10 minutes. Remember to discard the oil into the trash. It is recommended to use it on an empty stomach. Proudly made in the USA with a blend of international and domestic ingredients. It's free from fluoride and artificial preservatives. It's suitable for adults and children 12 years and older, with supervision. What we like. This mouthwash focuses on natural teeth whitening. It uses MCT coconut oil and peppermint essential oil. If you like a simple, effective way to brighten your smile and freshen your breath, you should consider this one. What people say. It helped reduce bad breath, and I felt like it was effectively removing toxins and bacteria from my mouth. My teeth seemed slightly whiter, and my gums appeared healthier and less inflamed. The formula is alcohol-free, which is a big plus for me. Traditional mouthwashes with alcohol can often be harsh and drying, but GuruNanda has managed to create an effective solution without compromising on comfort. The oil-pulling method is known for its ability to help with fresh breath, teeth whitening, and promoting healthier teeth and gums. Number 3. Desert Essence Coconut Oil Pulling Rinse. This is a unique mouth rinse. It's designed to freshen your mouth and support your oral health. This organic mouth rinse helps brighten your smile. It promotes the removal of plaque, which can help prevent tooth decay. The blend of organic virgin coconut, sesame, and sunflower oils helps remove impurities. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. With Australian tea tree oil and mint oils, it provides a cooling sensation. It leaves a refreshing smell in your mouth. This mouthwash is alcohol-free, sugar-free, fluoride-free, and non-GMO. This makes it safe for your everyday oral care routine. This product is inspired by the ancient Ayurvedic practice of oil pulling. It supports the health of your teeth and gums. What we like. This product is designed to remove impurities and freshen your mouth with a cooling sensation. It's also alcohol-free, making it a gentle option. If you are looking for a natural, refreshing mouth rinse, you should consider this one. What people say. Flavor is not overpowering. Leaves breath smelling of light mint. I have found it aids my brushing regimen to keep plaque at bay. Getting better reports on dental visits. Teeth seem whiter and do feel cleaner. Also noticing less sinus problems since I began using. This product is excellent. It helps with stains, infections and removing impurities in your mouth and on your teeth. Reduces plaque, gum bleeding and diseases are managed without worsening, etc. Tried and tested, and for the first time dentist could see a positive difference in my teeth and gums. I have been using this almost every day for a month now and my teeth look amazing. They are so much whiter, and when I wake up my mouth just feels cleaner. I started at 5 minutes and worked my way up to 20, adding 5 minutes on every 5 or so days. Number 2. Banyan Botanicals Mint Daily Swish. Introducing Banyan Botanicals Mint Daily Swish, an organic Ayurvedic pulling oil. This product is designed to support a clean mouth and promote oral health. This natural oil pulling formula features organic amla, haritaki, and bibataki, known for their detoxifying qualities. It's infused with organic peppermint and spearmint essential oils. Based on ancient Ayurvedic techniques, oil pulling is a common oral care practice. Use it daily to keep your mouth sparkling clean, alongside brushing and flossing. Banyan Botanicals is committed to producing high-quality Ayurvedic products. They use USDA-certified organic herbs that are sustainably sourced and fairly traded. This product is also vegan. Banyan Botanicals offers a guarantee. If you're not satisfied, they accept returns for a full refund. They also ensure product quality and safety through third-party testing. What we like. This mouthwash uses organic Ayurvedic herbs. It is designed to support a clean mouth and overall teeth and gum health. If you value natural ingredients and a holistic approach to oral care, you should consider this one. What people say. Banyan Botanicals makes awesome organic Ayurvedic products, and this mouth swish is no exception. Great taste, leaves your mouth clean and fresh, and it gets into all the nooks and crannies to keep teeth and gums healthy. He used it, and after the 4th time using this stuff, he doesn't even swish for the full recommended time. This oat breaks free and he's a new man. I have adult ADHD and my medication causes severe dry mouth. Nothing has ever worked that was a once-a-day use to keep the dry mouth away like this has, and I've tried a lot of dry mouth products that even dentists recommend. Number 1. CocoPull Organic Oil Pulling 14 Packets. Introducing CocoPull, a convenient way to enhance your oral health. This product comes in individual packets, making it perfect for travel and daily use. It's designed to freshen your breath and promote healthy teeth and gums. Each box contains 14 single-use packets of organic coconut oil pulling. The formula includes organic peppermint oil for a refreshing experience. This ensures a pleasant taste while you detoxify your mouth. CocoPull is formulated to be non-GMO, alcohol-free, and fluoride-free. It's designed to help remove stains from coffee and tea, and naturally whiten your teeth. This product is also ideal for smokers or those with braces. This oil pulling helps protect your gums and prevent inflammation. Simply use 1 packet daily to experience the benefits. It's a simple step towards a healthier mouth. The unrefined coconut oil may solidify below 76 degrees. If this happens, just warm the packet in hot water until it becomes liquid. It's that easy to incorporate into your routine. What we like. This product offers the convenience of individual packets. It's perfect for on-the-go use and helps with natural teeth whitening. If you are a frequent traveler or prefer a mess-free option, you should consider this one. What people say. My teeth felt cleaner immediately after the first use and my gums do feel healthier. The mint edition makes it taste even better and is great for nicer breath too. I also like the fact that these are in little packets, easy to carry around and always have some at hand when needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.